Elevate and Innovate with Angie.
Welcome back, everyone. It's Angie Dobransky, your partner for radical success. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both challenging and incredibly rewarding: how to innovate under pressure. In the fast-paced world we live in, the ability to adapt and innovate rapidly can truly set you apart. Pressure often feels like an enemy, but today we're going to turn that around and use it as fuel for creativity. I'll share 3 key strategies that top leaders use to harness pressure and spark innovation. Strategy 1, embrace constraints. A study of 145 companies by Harvard Business Review found individuals, teams, and organizations benefit from a healthy dose of constraints. Constraints can actually boost creativity by providing focus and forcing us to think differently. Strategy 2, stay connected to your mission. Remembering why you do what you do provides clarity and motivation, even under stress. And strategy 3, leverage your team. Diverse perspectives can lead to breakthrough ideas when you need them most. These strategies aren't just theories, they're practical ways to enhance your ability to think creatively and solve problems, no matter the pressure. Let's see these strategies in action with some inspiring examples from the business world. Caterpillar wanted to find new revenue streams while preserving their dealer relationships, so they invented the Cat app, the first of its kind in the industry. Spotify invented their wildly popular Wrapped feature to one-up a feature at Apple Music and ended up with better than expected earnings. Dyson invented the Air Wrap to compete in the hair dryer business and created a superior product that regularly sells out at 20 times the average cost of a blow dryer. Feeling the heat? Let's turn it into energy for innovation. Subscribe for more insights, like this video if you're ready to take on challenges, and share it with someone who could use a boost. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And how do you innovate under pressure? I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for success.